Assalamualaikum. I have here pumpkin. Join me, let's do pumpkin soup. Cut pumpkin with carrots and olive oil to hot oven. We will roast it for about half an hour. Here's our roasted pumpkins, guys. In our hot pot with olive oil, first goes onions, then garlic, spring onions. If you have leeks, you can use leeks too. Now our roast pumpkin in, and our spices, salt, nutmeg, black pepper, and coriander powder. Mix it well. Now we put our broth. We will simmer it for 15 minutes and put to our blender. Now we blend. Now we put our pine sheep. Here guys, our amazing roasted pumpkin soup. Try it at home. Enjoy!